gonna mess you up, dude. When I close my eyes, I see my friends screaming.
Last chance, new kid. He's nothing without you. Walk away from this.
Koopa Kid!
God damn it.
Fuck the elves! Oh, it's on!
Nice guy.
Lame! Leave me alone!
Nice guy.
Seriously, douchebag, you're breaking my balls here.
This is it. You have the honor of leading the final assault, Commander. Back away from the desk, Jew King.
This stick doesn't belong with a fat, racist liar!
All right, Cal, you fucking asked for it. Go ahead and kick his ass, douchebag.
New kid, Cartman is using you. Can't you see it? He's a manipulator.
You're just jealous because the new kid picked me as a friend over you, Cal.
You've got one last chance, new kid. Turn around and fight Cartman instead. Do the right thing.
Don't let him Jew wash your brain, new kid.
Attack him! Now!
Make him shut up.
It's not me you should be fighting, it's him. So pick a side.
Kick his ass.
Fine. You're gonna be sorry, new kid. Get out of my way or I'll kick your ass. Okay, I kicked the baby.
Don't kick the goddamn baby.
Yay! You think you can tangle with me?
The evil Jew elf has been defeated! Great job, new kid. Goth kids, take the stick from inside his desk. Victory is ours!
Hey, wait a minute. Our desks don't have insides.
What?
Desks at this school just have tabletops.
No, but Twitter said that...
Look over here. This desk has writing on it.
Check my locker.
Whose desk is that?
That's Clyde's desk.
Greetings, humans and drow elves of Zaron.
Clyde. He took the stick.
While you've all been busy fighting amongst yourselves, I have built a kingdom beyond your comprehension. I prayed for a way to destroy you all, and the solution came crashing down from the heavens.
Oh no, it's more of that green stuff.
With what I have found, I shall raise an army of the dead. I shall raise an entire army of darkness and kill the earth.
Clyde, but why? I banished him to be lost in space and time, and now he's all pissed off.
So you see, fools, I control the stick and the future of the earth.
Clyde, do you want a sandwich?
Not now, Dad. I'm making a Ruler of Darkness video. Whoever controls the stick controls the universe. And my first deed is that I hereby denounce the human and the elf kingdoms and strip both kings of all their power.
Motherfucker!
Oh, hello, boys.
Can we speak to Clyde, please?
Clyde's out playing in the backyard with his little friends.
Come and get it, losers! You can't do that, Clyde! You're lost in time and space! No, I'm not. Yeah, you are, asshole! Army of Darkness, defend the fortress! Craig, you're on my side! You don't have authority anymore. The Keeper of the Stick said so.
This can't be happening.
God damn it, I have fucking authority! Sorry, warriors and wizards. I'd love to invite you into my Fortress of Darkness, but I'm afraid you're too late. Too late? What do you mean we're too late?
There you are, Butters. Do you know what time it is, mister? It is way past your bedtime.
Oh shit, it's past our bedtime?
Dude, I'm gonna get it.
Clyde, it's past your bedtime.
Okay, coming, Dad.
Well, hello.
You missed the news. Looks like we're gonna have the country's largest Taco Bell in our new town.
Good night, my little gumdrop. Hope you're enjoying all the peace and quiet in our new home as much as we are.
Work all night, search for underpants. Hey, we won't stop until we have underpants.
underpants. Yum, yum, yummy, yum, yum. Oh, shit, he's awake! What? This kid is awake! What the fuck do we do? Oh, fuck! I guess we gotta kill him. Alright, fuck it, let's kill him. This hat's going straight up your ass! Ah! Magic, bitch! Suck on that! Holy shit, rat! Shit, he's too big! We can't beat him! Well, if you can't beat him, shrink him! Go ahead, Warlock! You fucked with the wrong gnome. I'm on a schedule. Suck on that! You are so fucked. Ugh. Magic, bitch! Die! I wish I'd spent more time gathering underpants. Holy shit, run!
just sometimes feel like we should tell him the truth.
Why? So we can relive it all in his head? It's better that he can't remember.
But if he really has this gift, he's going to discover it again on his own anyway.
And then they'll try and use him for his gift, and he'll become a weapon. They won't stop looking for him. We have to keep everything secret, even from him.
I'm so frazzled. Will you just make love to me?
Of course I will, darling.
Yeah! Fuck me!
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, shit, the kid is still following us! He's not gonna stop until he finds a way to become normal size again! That means he's coming after you, Warlock! What? Oh, fuck!
Fuck me! Fuck me, you fucking cocksucker! Come on, fuck me, I said! That all you got, bitch?
Yeah, old bitch!
I just did, you dirty
Magic,
little
bitch.
bitch!
Yeah, I'm a real dirty bitch. Wanna see my panties?
Ah! bridge! Crash! Rise, underpants! Rise! Ow! I wish I'd spent more time gathering underpants. All right, you win! Take this! Take it! You can grow small or big whenever you feel like it. All we wanted was to collect underpants to stop the Taco Bell from releasing its toxic green goo into our underground world. You see, the green goo is actually a... Hey kid, since a lot of our best guys are dead by your hand, can you help us collect underpants? We just need a few more to hit our quota. Come on, kid, we need to fill our